Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Requires either the TT-STP track and or the TT-ST 1500 track for saw operation. Tracks sold separately. Easily accessible shaft lock for fast blade change. Soft grip handles for comfort and control, and a plunge lock for safety. Universal vacuum system adapter with 360-degree rotational outlet. Saw comes with a 4/8 TCG saw blade, a dust outlet adapter, and a pair of carbon bushes. All of the required and optional accessories sold separately. Other compatible Triton accessories for use with the Triton TTS 1400 plunge track saw, TTSWC, TTSCB 1500, TTSCB 700, TTSSB, TTS60T, TTSAG, TTSDES, TTSPG, TTSTC. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Fits. Festool TS55EQ or ATF55E. DeWalt DWS 520 and Makita SP6000K. Fine tooth crosscut blade for hardwood, softwood, melamine, and more. Professional grade C3 carbide. Hook angle 5 degrees. Kerf 2.2 mm. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Powerful 15 amp motor delivers 2300 RPM for enough power to cut through pressure-treated lumber. Cuts 6x material at 90 degrees and 4x material at 45 degrees in a single pass. Weighs only 32.1 pounds. For increased operator comfort. Electric brake for maximum productivity. Ideal for cutting large timber, pressure-treated lumber and wood logs. See more product details. The number 1 on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. 12 amp motor with variable speed control dial. 2000 to 5200 RPM. For optimum performance in a variety of materials. Large cutting capacity. 2-3/16 at 90 degrees and 1-9/16 at 45 degrees. Power type corded. Bevel capability. -1 to 48 degrees. With positive stops at 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees. Makita SP6000J16-1/2 plunge circular saw kit. With stackable tool case and 55 inches guide rail. Powerful 12.0 AMP motor for optimum performance in a wide variety of materials. Precision, accurate cutting delivers a splinter-free mirror finish. Electronic speed control maintains constant speed under load for smooth cutting. Show more.